Welcome back as we begin the spring semester and the 2021 calendar year. New beginnings offer new possibilities. They also offer the opportunity to celebrate what was and what is to come. Last year proved challenging at Bethany College, but we met each challenge head-on through comprehensive student care, a holistic commitment to health and safety, and excellence in teaching as our faculty delivered our entire curriculum virtually, in person, hybrid, or by HyFlex modalities. I believe every one of our successes could serve as a leading model in higher education, but I want to thank our faculty in particular today for overcoming considerable hurdles in order to keep our classroom experience meaningful and engaging for our students. Their leadership and the partnership of our students and staff in the process resulted in many positive outcomes. Now that we are in the spring semester, I expect the same commitment to health and safety to continue. We know our policies and protocols work when we all follow them. I am also hopeful that the vaccine distribution will be swift over the next few weeks and months. Our great state of West Virginia is currently leading the country in vaccinations, and I take pride in knowing that our campus helped in that successful distribution to date. Classes have officially begun. The return plans we put in place are proving effective. Our tiered move-in, pre-arrival health recommendations, including having all students take a COVID test 72 hours prior, and our decision to conduct learning online for the first 2 weeks of classes while students self-quarantined in their rooms have all helped to keep our community safe. For those who took and passed your comprehensive exams in this time of COVID, congratulations, and thank you for working with us in providing a safe testing experience. Certainly, the past year was not an easy one. But we move forward now as One Bethany into 2021. We do so with forward momentum on our leading priorities in global engagement, first-rate scholarship and research, promoting responsible citizenship, robust networking, and leadership development. Our world needs prepared graduates with these skills now more than ever. Thus, we move forward with our bold tradition and continued confidence in our community's ability not only to overcome, but to innovate and thrive. We support and serve our students with a fearless resolve and forward commitment that reflects why we are Bethany Strong.